Hey guys, welcome to Marine Life today. Today on Marine Life, we're installing speakers. Hi guys, welcome to Marine Life. Today we're installing speakers. Alright guys, well today we're installing these speakers on my boat, and not because I want to spend money, but I'm not sure if you can see, but the other day I was washing my boat and I noticed that my speakers here, they have holes in them. And you hear the video now when I play a little bit, you can hear a little bit crackling in them, stuff like that from balancing. So I decided to go JL. Eventually my whole goal is to change my whole boat with JL speakers on it. They are top-notch marine speakers. These are the M3s, so they are the lower unit ones. I like lights, stuff like that on my speakers. These have a blue light in it. These have actually RGB, so they had different colors on them. But today I'm only going to install one color. I didn't buy the this is a unit they sell that allows you to switch back and forth different lights. You can add that. I can add that later, and you see the way how everything wired in it. You can see how I can add it later. But we're gonna be installing these speakers, opening them up. I got these on sale from Crutchfield. They were a good buy. I'm happy, so I can't wait to hear how they sound. I already have JL Audio amps already installed for a while. That's what pushes these all my speakers on my bill. And I have I already have JL Audio amps, MX 280. I already have JL Audio amps installed on my boat. I have a total of 4 speakers. The amps I have is a 280 MX 280 by 4 slash 4 and a MX 300 by 1, which is pushing the sub. So I got 2 speakers on the center console, which I'll show you, and I got 2 6.5s here with my 10-inch sub right here, which are all Memphis. I bought these speakers a while ago when I first had the boat redone. They were installed, so they're about 3 years old now. They should last me longer than that, but I guess it just wore out. I'm not sure if the pressure washer did the damage or that's just age that did it. But today we're going to be installing these real quick, opening these up, see what we got. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what you get in the box. Come packaged. They have templates if you don't have holes. I already have holes. And I got a sticker if you want to put stickers. Manual. The speaker itself. They look pretty heavy duty. I used to install audio equipment back in the day when their circuit stick existed. It looks like the whole guard is connected to this. You gotta take it off with screws, I guess. I'm assuming that's what that is right there, so you can't really pop it off. Kind of a good thing, I guess. Feels like rubber in here. Feels nice. I don't know, but I can't wait to hear how they sound. Like I said, it should be good. So if you can ask yourself what these different color wires are, when I talked to JL, they told me that each color represents the color you want. I'm a green guy, so for now, since I don't have the RGB controller, I'm just going to be installing green. Just to give you guys a heads up, when you guys are doing this, I will not use a drill, just because if your hand slips, you can crack something, even a fiberglass, scratch it all up. I know it takes longer by hand, but you know what? I think I'd rather take it longer than, you know, mess something up. But I'm not going to record the whole thing. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of advice, and then, I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory how to do it. So I might use the same screw, so there's 1 screw. So, and take the other. There's only 4 in this one, so we'll see how it comes out. So as I was right, it was not actually the pressure washer. If you kind of see in there a little bit, once you focus in there, watch how big this is. Look at that. That's just the sun. So I don't know if you can catch that, but look how brittle. This should tell you that not all speakers are built the same. So there is a difference. The reason why JLs are more money. Look at that. You can see that, but in there, I'm not just touching, it's falling apart. So that's how messed up it really was from the sun exposure. Look at this piece coming here off. Look at that. Watch this. That should not be happening. So I guess that's why JL sells their speed so expensive. Hopefully they'll last longer. They should anyways, but let's see if the hole even fits now, or we'll do some modifications to it. Just to get comparison, the manual's about the same size here. Looks like the JL might be a little bit bigger, but I guess we'll find out what the quality would be. I don't want to sound stuff like that, but I can tell you right now that the actual material feels a lot more rigid than the other one, but only time will tell as we put it in. So when reading the manual here, real quick about the color and things, don't expect that red is positive and green's positive and then whatever. So according to the manual, red, green, blue are all negatives. Yellow equals to the positive power. And you have combinations too. So if you want to receive, for example, yellow, you want red and green to the negative and then the yellow to the positive. All right. And if you want white, you hook up red, green, and blue to negative and then connect yellow to positive. All right, so that's why you would end up with a color code. So I'm just gonna test these out before I actually screw them down to see if they are connected or not. Yeah. It's working. So those are the lights right now connected. Look pretty sharp. I like the way that looks. A little bit better at night. But right now they're looking green. I like green. Looks nice. Very nice clear green. So they're hooked up. Lights are working. All right, let's check the switch now. Go ahead. I hit the switch, turn off, turn on again, and there we go. Green light it is. That's the color I picked. I like it. Looks very nice. Very nice. All right, let's finish the install. Let's wrap it up. So you never want to drill them in directly, because we'll do is split the fiberglass and all that kind of stuff. So you want to drill first, right? You also gotta be careful when you're drilling in so you don't mess anything up. So the way I do this is you gotta find out one that best matches the screw. I'll show you in a minute. Take one out. I say it's gonna be this one right here. Find out. So screw, drill bit. I think we have a perfect match. Let's find out. So now we're trying to find all the holes and make sure they're all covered up on all four. And then my JL audio sign is nice and up, not turn, and we'll put my first hole. Once you put the first hole in, then it'll hold up for the rest of it to do that. So make sure everything, all the holes not exposed. So I want to kind of in the middle. See, that one's exposed to the right, so I'll go up a little bit higher. See, that one's right there. So probably something still exposed. Actually, I might go 7.5 with up here in front. Let's go ahead and drill one right up here. Once I got that one hole done, there it is. I can just pull this out and finish it. that's good. First hole's done. Let's put that screw in. And I'll put the lights in, like I said, in a bit. Alright guys, so it's getting dark and I couldn't do the lights because apparently I only have one light for the lights. I got to split it, but they sound pretty good and I got more screws to put in. I wanted to show you guys before the light went down. So that's what I got. They sound great though.